Guys. Grayson, Grayson, can you fucking stop?
Bro, I sneezed.
It wasn't even a real sneeze. It was just unfunny.
I fake sneezed. What do you want me to do about it?
Not do it again.
Whoa! Do that again.
That was actually cool.
Sneeze again. I can't sneeze like a man.
All right, when you get back, I'll tell you.
Spit that milk down my back and let it run to my butt crack and
You good? Well, that's the first one. Also, when I sneeze, when I have allergies, it's not like a regular sneeze. Like it's like a. I think that's just you, Grace.
All right, so whoever spits it out the fastest loses. Bless. So we thought we probably need to customize our rooms a little bit more because, you know, they're lacking in the whole self. I gotta take my allergy medication. I have to sneeze. Can you wait? Can you get your shit together? Trying. What was that? Okay.
Bless you. Bless you, child. No.
Stop.
I said no!
You can't just say no. I said I'm gonna sneeze.
No! Are the fumes getting to you? I'm gonna give you a little... Excuse me, sir!
This robe is like dusty.
Misophonia. Anna. Oh man, they sneezes.
I'm allergic to something.
So, okay. There's these. Okay, these. Oh, okay, wow. That was a track. I'm gonna end by saying the Oscars Hotel. Oh no, don't sneeze again. Don't sneeze again. Don't sneeze again. Don't sneeze again. Okay, sneeze again. Oh my god.
On behalf of our relationship. Excuse me. Now we've just reached 200,000 subscribers in less than a year. God.
Here are some of the hilarious guesses we got. To join. Uh-oh, I'm allergic to cats.
Being made about your lives. What 3 songs?
Bless you.
Thank you.
This so.
All I want to do is sneeze. Oh! I just did it! Did you hear that?
I did. I saw it. It was kind of a cough sneeze.
Okay, here comes another one. I fought it. Oh, that was for reals.
Oh.
I'm gonna put this on. Oh, there's one.
All he had to do was hold the bag of ice and it made him sneeze.
Oh yeah, there's one.
Yeah, got it.
In unicorn rap, I gotta sneeze.
Whoa. Did you put sneeze powder in there?
Oh gosh! Why have your nose? Story to maybe help other people reach for their dreams. Thanks so much, Rhett and Link, GMM staff. Bless you, because I'm tight.
I'm allergic to Josh Ocarado.
Rules for a short game, 60 to 90 minutes of fun. There are 3 differences in rules for the short game. Bless you.
In my own house.
I can't get up. Can't. Bless you. Just can't get it together.
Gosh.
Dang, man, you're allergic to some Octodad? Yeah. Guinness, as it turns out, needs prior notification of any record holder. About to win.
Where did you get that invincibility thing? What does it look like?
Allergic to frogs.
That. B. Okay. Now Harry recommends they do it ghost style. Have you seen that?
I'm sure. So what he does is, you can bless you. Was that a fart? It stinks.
Yeah, farted all over my arm.
It smells horrible.
Gosh.
A little cupcake mold that we had left over from the chocolate. So it was like a little cup, and scooped it in with a spoon.
No, I you know,
look great.
I corked. Is it a staple?
No, it is not a staple.
We're doing so bad at this
Enthusiasts, certain type of the
I
time
gotta
of the year,
sneeze,
everyone, but
certain time of the year, everyone?
most people, like my girlfriend, no, but she just doesn't enjoy to do the types of things that would necessitate something.
So stupid.
Turn it up.
I farted!
Learn their difference whenever I would hear them. This is so.
Sneeze music. Kind of get past the whole like trying to drop hints. I'm gonna sneeze.
Well, yes, except that nobody looks like their parents.
Gosh.
Ever.
But then after, good bless
Sorry,
you.
I'm allergic to stories about Q-tips.
Is that a word?
Creepily.
Are the dolls making me sneeze? Okay, thanks, Grandma. Bye. But yeah, hold on. I have to sneeze. Squad Rebels out now. Link in the description. Get a new one. I think I'm starting to get sick. Yay. For that.
They're saying that the Earth. Oh, I'm getting allergic to this bullshit. I mean, stay respectful.
Disgusting. YOLO. Not my first time taking 4 at once. Nope. Nope. None of that nugget over here. A chicken nugget went up my nose. 100%. That's what happened. Oh, I'm better now. Oh! Maybe that was what I needed. I'm good. That was all nugget. There's literally a chicken nugget in my nose. That's what that was. That is not cool. I can't do this. You quit sneezing over all my jokes. 40. Done.
Comfortable. This is not attractive.
Hey, look at my nose cup.
Pretty girl.
Oh my god, I just figured out what I could use this for. Ready? Oh, fuck!
You know what I like to do? I like to make myself sneeze. Because it feels like a tiny orgasm.
Shane, stop it. Ew, there's snot all over your screen.
Sneeze. It went.
We've already got the Triceratops. Sneeze.
No, it's not coming.
So many memories here. Hard to believe your father and I bought this place almost 20 years ago. See you tomorrow. Oh no. I cast a sneezing spell on you.
Bless you.
Thanks.
You're allergic to the game.
Where was my second bless you?
I ain't gonna do 2 bless yous.
Oh my god, Phil.
This
Bad
isn't
friend.
a bless you factory.
Pick an outfit from.
Oh, disease.
To sneeze. That is apparently how I sneeze. What the hell?
Some tea leaves. That was close.
I'm gonna sneeze. Okay, resume.
Christmas germs.
What have I done? Jesus Christ.
Bless me.
That was violent.
It just came from nowhere.
Gesundheit, Philip.
Arigato.
Why am I sneezing? I'm getting sick. Fucking hell, that was violent.
That was such a violent sneeze.
Jeez Louise. Another this.
Yeah. Sorry. I think that's a good time to end it. Goodbye.